Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Desti Puja Kusuma from class 2B. I want to tell you about my grandmother. My grandmother was one of the most special people in my life. She was not only my grandmother, but also like a second mother to me. When I was very young, she took care of me every day while my parents were just working. Most of my childhood memories were created with her, and because of that, she will always have a special place in my heart. When I was a little child, my grandmother would wake up early every morning. She will prepare breakfast for me and help me get ready for kindergarten. She always made sure that I looked neat before leaving the house. After that, she will hold my hand, walk with me to school. Sometimes carried my school bag, and sometimes carry me when I feel tired. Walking beside her always made me feel safe and happy. I still remember how she would wait for me when school was over, seeing her first smile from a distance always made me excited to run her hair. On our way home, she often bought me a small snack of candies. We would talk about what happiness at school and delivered carefully to every story and whole hair. She never suspected tired of hearing my endless stories. One of the sweetest memories I have is when Fred my sharing me team and like many children. I'm sometimes refused to look at. However, my grandmother will always she visit me, hold a spoon, and gently feed me while littling. A fun story, or singing little songs. Somehow, she always from a way to make meat love and finish my freeze the food she prepared always tasted special because it was made with love. My grandmother also taught me many valuable lessons. She taught me to be kind to others, to respect other people, and to always be grateful for what I had. With whenever I made mistake, she corrected me with pettiness, instead of anger. Her words simple, but they shape me into the person I'm today. During holidays, I spent a lot of time with her. We sat television together, sat in the afternoon and talked about many things. Sometimes told me stories about her childhood and her life experience. I love listening to her stories because with the world feel wisdom and love. Those the moments scamming ordinary at the time, but now there are ordinary at the time, but now there are the most precious memories I have. As the years pass, I grow older and because Busher with school and daily activities, even though I was no longer as much. My grandmother still cared for me deep. So I was as curious whenever I had cotton with the hair I was strong, ye will, and whether I was happy, her love my her. Unfortunately, one day my grandmother became seriously ill. At first, I believed she would recover because she had always been strong. However, her and the condition gradually become worse. Seeing her lie in bed, awake and try broke my heart. The woman who had once taken care of me with so much energy was now struggling to fight her illness. My family and I pray for the day for her recovery. We face her, talk to her, and try to make her smile. Even while she was sick, she still worried about you. She still asked whether we had acted and whether we were taking care of ourselves. That was the kind of person she was always thinking about others before herself. The day I feared the most, my grandmother passed away because of her illness. When I heard the news, I felt as if my world had stopped. My hair was filled with sadness. I could and stopped crying because I now never again heard her voice, hold her hand, or see her warm smile. The hostile difference of the sea was gone. There was a silence that could never be filled. Every corner of the house reminded me of her. The dining table reminded me of the leniency fed me the road to kindergarten reminded me of the morning when she walked beside me. Even simple things brought back memories of her love and care. For a long time and I struggled to escape her passing. I may say her very day. There were moments when I went straight to tell her about my achievements, my problems, and the events in my life. But she was no longer there to listen. Even Talks in her was one of the saddest experiences of my life. I am grateful for all the years I have with her. Not everyone is lucky enough to recover such an unconditional love. My grandmother gave me a childhood. Grandmother gave me a childhood filled with for me happiness and beautiful memories. She taught me important values and showed me what true love looks like. Today, whenever I think about her, tears still come to my Yeah, to my ways to tears are not only from sadness, there are also tears of gratitude. I am thankful for every hug she gave me, every meal she prepared, every story she told, and every step she walked white, holding my hand one the way to kindergarten. The although my grandmother is no longer physically with me. Her love and times to live in my heart. The memories we share will stay with forever. Whenever I face difficulties in life, I remember her kindness and strength. She reminds my importance and my source of comfort. I will always miss my grandmother and I will always love me. So she may be gone from this world, but the will never be gone from my heart.